Good morning. I'm Don Martin with thereasonablerealtor.com. That's thereasonablerealtor.com. It's a website. It's a source of information, and it's a source of services. What I do is provide the MLS for people who are selling their own house. I provide different varying levels of service, whatever they feel like they need. Go to thereasonablerealtor.com, pull down the services menu, go to list my own house. You can do it in the middle of the night if you want to. Try to make it as convenient as I can for you. But at any rate, let's say, for instance, you're in Smyrna, Tennessee. It's Middle Tennessee. It's near Nashville, south of Nashville, Smyrna, Tennessee. Let's say you're thinking about selling your house and you Google just to see how to do it. When you Google, you're going to see a lot of returns on that search. If you Google, for instance, an MLS flat fee broker, maybe even throw in your town, maybe put MLS flat fee broker in Smyrna. But you'll see a lot, and you'll see some of them that say they are ads. Those ads do cost a lot of money. Those ads usually, the first thing you have to do is to tell them what state you're from, because they just take your money and take a little piece of it times 50 states, and then they refer you back to the state where you started to a broker there in that state who has the ability to list your house in the MLS. So you've already given away part of your money there, but the name of the game is to save money. That's what I'm here for. I save people thousands and thousands of dollars, let them sell their own houses, and still get the incredible exposure of the MLS. So think twice about going to somebody that has an ad there. You might just look at one of the organic returns on your Google search. I've been doing this for 36 years, about to learn what I'm doing. I'm licensed and certified in Tennessee, from Memphis to Knoxville to Chattanooga, Nashville, all over Tennessee. I believe I can help you. If you get a chance when you go to the website, thereasonablerealtor.com, subscribe. I'd love for you to subscribe. Twice a month, I'll send you a little note, not a big newsletter, just a little note, an update, as you would, if you will. But think about subscribing there. Think about sharing it with your friends on social media, on Facebook or anything like that. Think about giving this video a thumbs up. Think about, if you want to, uh, there will be a little red square over here where you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. Boy, I'd love that to happen. Put a comment or question or whatever you've got down here in the comment section. I have in the comment section put a link to get to thereasonablerealtor.com, so you don't have to tax your memory thinking of what the URL is. Just click down there in the comment section. Watch this video to the very end. If you would, you will get a surprise. You will be delighted by the fact that it simply is ended. Uh, if you get a chance, like I say, subscribe. But primarily, if you or a friend of yours is thinking about selling your house, let me help you save a whole lot of money. If you're from Tennessee, if you're, for instance, in Smyrna, Tennessee, give me a shout, 10 digits away. Pick up the phone, call me. There's my email. You don't even have to talk to me if you don't want to. You can do it all yourself. Just go to the website. Thanks. See you later.